Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to find free stock videos and photos in Pexels. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help us post more helpful guides and tutorials. So let's head over to pexels.com and choose photos or videos. You can select for niche specific photos and videos here. For example, select for a book niche. Let's say for example book. You do click on photos and here you find photos of the book niche here. For example, you can click on the photo and hit download to download your photo freely here. So you can select custom size and original or large size, small, medium or custom. You can also do this for videos, so it's the same. Type in for example book for videos and you'll find free stock videos for the book niche. So this is pretty much it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.